Hey everyone, so in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily add length and volume into your ponytail using the Diva Divine 10-piece clip-in set. So let's get started. The first one is the voluminous ponytail. For this, take a section out from ear to ear till the top and clip that away. Now take a 2 to 3 inch section right there and take that into a ponytail. Use a good quality rubber band so that the ponytail stays in place. Make sure the ponytail is nice and secure. Now use the Diva Divine 3-piece clip-in set, which is this one, and start clipping it around the ponytail. Then use the 2-piece clip-in set and wrap that around the first one. Now use the 1-piece clip-in set and take 2 of these and secure that on top of the second one. The whole point is to keep wrapping extensions around the ponytail, and this will add a lot of volume into it. Now take a section in the front and slightly backcomb it at the roots. Use a little hairspray to set that in place, making sure your poof is not going to fall flat. Comb all of it away nicely. Part a section from the arch of your eyebrows till the top, taking that into a poof. Use your fingers to adjust the poof the way you like it. Now twist that around gently and push it slightly towards the front. Secure it with a bobby pin. Now use a comb and take all your hair into a really nice, neat ponytail. Add the previous ponytail and the rest of your hair together. Use a good quality rubber band to secure it tight. Wrap a 1-inch section around the ponytail to hide the rubber band and secure it under the ponytail. Now pull on the poof using your fingers to add that texture and volume. Use some hairspray to set the poof in place. You can also use the hairspray to set any flyaways on the side. Pull some hair around to make it look a little easy, and that's it, you're done. And you can see how much length and volume the extensions have added into my ponytail. The second one is the long sleek ponytail. And for this, you need to begin by taking a middle parting only in the front. Take a section on the top and slightly backcomb it. Clip that away. Add a 2-piece clip-in set. And this is just going to add a little volume and thickness on the top. Take a section at the back from ear to ear and clip that away. Take the rest into a really nice, well-secured ponytail. Now take the 3-piece clip-in set and wrap that around the ponytail just the way we did for the first one. And then add the 2-piece clip-in set around the ponytail and the 2 single 1 clip-in set. Now take all your hair neatly towards the back into a low ponytail. Add the small previous ponytail into all the hair and secure that well using a good quality rubber band. Since our first ponytail was really nice and low and all the extensions were wrapped around it, this is going to add a lot of length into the ponytail. Wrap a 1-inch section of hair around the ponytail and secure it. Again, use some hairspray and set any flyaways that you have so that you have a really nice sleek ponytail. And that's about it. This is how you add length and volume into your ponytail. I hope you all enjoyed the video. These beautiful hair extensions can be purchased online or in a Diva Divine boutique in Delhi or Mumbai. For more information, visit divadivinehair.co.in.